Hello, my name is Bianca with Poolwerx. Today we will be talking about the importance of a healthy pool. Going for a swim can be lots of fun. It's great for family entertainment, health, and exercise.
Sometimes germs in swimming pools can make you sick. Some of the most common germs found in pool water include viruses and parasites like Giardia, E. coli, Cryptosporidium, and many others. Bacteria and viruses in pool water can cause illnesses including ear, eye, chest, and throat infections as well. To help prevent germs in pool water, practice healthy hygiene and test water regularly. Having your pool water tested regularly will help to maintain water quality and ensure proper chlorination and chemical balance. Engaging the services of a pool professional can help keep you and your friends and family safe and healthy around your backyard pool. Pop into one of our local stores and let our friendly associates test your water for free, or call us today and set up a summer startup service for only $69. Our friendly professional pool technicians will inspect your equipment, check and balance your pool water, ensuring you're ready for the upcoming swimming season.
Give us a call at 1-800-407-6657 or visit us online at poolwerx.com. Be sure to like us on Facebook and stay tuned for more videos.